Spring, such a beautiful time of a year. It's a season of fresh starts, a season of budding hope, and also a season
that my office is incredibly messy. Camera gear everywhere. Guest bedding still unpacked. Yeah, it works as a guest room occasionally. This calligraphy wall cost me a lot of time. Still love it, but prefer to incorporate it in another way. This box of books have been sitting here for months. And this desk, today is the day. This space needs a serious makeover. I hope to make it clean, organized, and also has some characters. I'm a content creator. It needs to support my creative flow, but also has to double as a guest room when needed. So let's get started. The biggest issue with this very old school working closet, totally inefficient use of space. Because I want to have all of my camera gear and guest stuff out of sight, so I need to maximize both the horizontal and vertical space. My goal is turning this into a mix between a closet and a camera gear storage area.
After some research, I landed on IKEA's L-Varley system. It's great for customizing. I used their planner tool to design shelves with a closed rail and open storage. For my go-to items like cameras and the lenses, I decided to use a bookcase to keep everything neat and accessible. I picked up some storage boxes for my secondary gear like extra camera batteries, chargers, filters, and so on. And for each box, adjustable drawer dividers help to make it more organized. The white wall felt a little plain, so I decided to add molding for some texture and dimension. I am not someone who is really very handy, but this time, buying materials, cutting wood, nailing each piece onto the wall, I was loving it. I was really proud of myself, actually enjoying the whole process, maybe even falling a little bit in love with DIY. Until disaster struck. After hours of measuring, calculating, designing, picking out all the materials and the tools, and cutting everything to the size, I suddenly realized that if I kept installing molding as planned, then there would be way more blank space on the right side than on the left side. I racked my brain and trying to figure out what went wrong, and guess what? Turns out, when I was measuring and sketching the wall layout, I mixed up the width and height. The 108 inches I marked as the width was actually the height, and the 190 inches I marked as the height was supposed to be the width. Honestly, making such a rookie mistake, I have no idea how to make peace with myself. Okay, fine. The whole process one more time. After the molding, I was thinking this room is where I shoot a lot of my videos, so I wanted to add more contrast. But what color? I am a green lover, but choosing the right green was not an easy thing. Actually, it's surprisingly hard. It was my first time painting walls, and I think I nailed it. The room looked so much better, but something still felt missing. To bring in more detail, I also customized a cover for my couch. I've been learning Chinese calligraphy since I was 6. Though I don't have too much time for it now, I still love to have this element in my room to add a bit of artsy vibe. I'm kind of tired of traditional calligraphy pieces in frames. This time, I'd like to try something different.
So now I've been working in my new office for several weeks now, and it has made a huge difference on my productivity, focus, and just overall happiness. This was a big project for me. It took me about 3 weeks to complete, and I've tried a lot of first, like painting the wall, installing cabinets, and even writing calligraphy on a mirror. But totally worth it. Because let's be honest, anything is better than how it started.